Hello everyone, welcome back to Filme. Do you ever notice the blue hashtags above the YouTube video title? Do you want to know how to add hashtags? Are you curious about what they can do for your YouTube videos? In today's video, I will answer all these questions for you and tell you about the YouTube hashtags use policies. Before we get started, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up to encourage us to make more video tips for you. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell to receive our latest updates. How to add YouTube hashtags above your title in 2021. Number 1. What's the hashtag? First of all, we have to figure out what is the hashtag. Hashtags are keywords preceded by the pound symbol. Hashtags are an easy way for viewers to find the most relevant content they are looking for. So they improve a video's discoverability on the YouTube platform. Number 2. How to add hashtags. Before figuring this out, I want to recommend the best free video editor for you, iMyFone Filme Video Editor. This is the one that helps us edit videos simple and fast. After editing, I will add hashtags either in the title or description when uploading videos. The title has a limited number of words, so I prefer to add hashtags to the description. I recommend you to add hashtags on the button of the description because there's no actual meaning in the description. You can put information that's more important on the top. Up to 3 hashtags will be displayed above the title, so it's important to put the most relevant hashtag on the front. Of course, you can add more than 3 hashtags to your description. When using hashtags, please remember, you have to add them as one word like this. Don't add any space. Every hashtag is clickable. As you can see, after clicking, it will take us back to the search bar, and it'll show us all the videos that share the same hashtag. How do you know what hashtag is the one to help your video get more views? You can use YouTube search to determine whether to use this keyword. Enter the pound symbol and associated keyword into the search bar to see if this hashtag is a popular one. The search will either show top videos and recently uploaded videos with that hashtag. Number 3. What other benefits hashtags can bring to you? First, hashtags offer more information about your content to YouTube and help viewers understand what your video is about quickly. The algorithm will push your video to more and more viewers to gain more views and subscribers. Second, using hashtags for searching can help you find the most relevant video than keywords. Third, hashtags can be used for branding. For example, we can see PewDiePie uses the hashtags code PewDiePie, PewDiePie, Pixelings in almost every video. He already owns these hashtags, but this works better in some channels who already gained a lot of subscribers and can be famous enough that viewers will search their name directly on YouTube. Number 4. Something important you need to know when adding hashtags. The most important one is over-tagging in a single video. According to YouTube's hashtag policies, the more tags you add to a video, the less relevant they become for viewers who are searching. If a video has more than 60 hashtags, we'll ignore all hashtags on that video. Over-tagging may result in the removal of your video from your uploads or from search. And there are more rules you should pay attention to. Misleading content, harassment, hate speech, sexual content, vulgar language, non-hashtags. If you violate the policies mentioned above, your video may be removed or penalized. I will put the link to YouTube's hashtag use policy on this video's description for you. If you think the hashtag is helpful to the ranking, you can go back to your old videos, add suitable hashtags on them anytime you want. What other YouTube functions do you want to learn about? Please leave a comment down below so we can answer in the next video. See you next time!